Emergencies are unexpected, high-risk events requiring immediate action to prevent loss of life, injury, or property damage. Emergency preparedness and response is the comprehensive, four-phase cycle: mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery, designed to minimize risks, save lives, and restore normalcy following natural or man-made disasters. It requires proactive planning, training, resource stockpiling, and effective communication to ensure safety and business continuity. This video explains different types of emergencies and how to deal with them. This concept demonstration may be adopted for emergency response at home, offices, factory, and shopping malls. Emergency preparedness involves taking action before a crisis, such as conducting risk assessments, training, and creating evacuation plans. To improve the effectiveness of responses, a well-developed plan ensures that individuals and organizations know how to react, where to go, and how to keep themselves safe. Without this, emergencies can lead to greater losses in life and property. Emergencies are unexpected, high-risk events requiring immediate action to prevent loss of life, injury, or property damage. These are categorized into natural disasters, technological accidents, health crises, and safety or security threats. Key types include, but are not limited to, medical emergencies, severe weather, fire, hazardous material spills, terrorist acts, and pandemics. Emergencies may also be categorized by their onset speed, rapid onset, which have immediate impact. These include fire or earthquake incidents. Other category is known as rising tide, that keep on aggravating and developing over days or weeks, such as rain and floods. Different types of emergencies that may occur are shown on the screen. First thing to do in case of any emergency is to alert emergency services in the city. In Pakistan, the most reliable and efficient department is 1122. Calling 1122 is a common method for reporting emergencies if external emergency personnel are needed. Fire assembly point is a designated, safe, outdoor location where occupants gather after evacuating a building during an emergency, such as a fire. It is critical for ensuring that everyone is safe by accurate roll calls to account for all persons. Evacuation allows fire services access and prevents re-entry into danger zones. Alternately, in case of natural calamity like earthquake or air raid, taking shelter inside the building can be better option. Under stairs is the best option, so it will serve as assembly points within the building. Due to the importance of assembly point after evacuation, the next slide is dedicated to key features of assembly point. It ensures all personnel are accounted for via a head count, allowing fire marshals to identify if anyone is still trapped inside. Emergency services access keeps evacuated individuals away from the building, ensuring that fire engines and other emergency vehicles have clear, unobstructed access. Gathering in a designated spot reduces panic and confusion, ensuring people do not wander into dangerous areas. All this can be ensured only when clear signs of assembly point and evacuation route are displayed. Response efforts focus on the immediate aftermath of a disaster to limit damage and protect people. This includes communication, coordination, and resource management. So the main steps include sharing accurate information and warnings with the public, organizing first responders, volunteers, and emergency services, deploying supplies, establishing shelters, and providing medical care. Ultimately, preparedness is a partnership between all levels of government, the private sector, and the community. Cultivating a culture of safety through regular drills, reviews, and updates to the plans ensures that organizations can not only survive a crisis but also recover faster. Effective response is not just about reacting, it is about having the framework to act immediately and efficiently. Important aspects of emergency preparedness planning are flashed on the screen. Exceptionally important and most critical are colored red.